to the Golden State Warriors, to team owners Joe Lacob and Peter Guber, and head coach Steve Kerr, is NBA Deputy Commissioner Mark Tidd.
Thank you so much, Lisa. What a phenomenal series and a great way to cap off the 75th NBA anniversary season. To the fans of Boston, the Bay Area, and fans around the world, thank you all for being a part of it. Congratulations to the Boston Celtics, the Eastern Conference champions, on a terrific season. And now the Golden State Warriors, 6 NBA Finals in 8 years, 4 NBA championships, a remarkable run by any measure that only a handful of teams in the history of NBA have accomplished. To Joe Lacob, to Peter Guber, to Coach Kerr, to Bob Myers, to all you great players, the coaches, and the entire Golden State Warriors organization, congratulations. You are the 2022 NBA champions.
Take the case. Take the case.
What do we do with it now?
You can put it back.
Every year. Steph. Tell me.
Joe, when you purchased the team back in 2010, you said you wanted to reach the level of success of the Lakers and the Celtics. What does it mean to you to be handed that trophy again?
I mean, it means the world. I just want to give all the credit to these players and these coaches. This is probably the most meaningful one because we came back. The last 2 years were very difficult, and what they've had to go through, the injuries, fantastic, and I love every one of them for what they've done.
Peter, let me ask you, as you watch this team throughout the season, what to you made it so special?
Makes it special. They never give up, never give in, go all the way. On the parquet floor, 2 Boston guys win it at the Garden.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.